Hey guys, this is Dr. Rankin at Airrosti Keystone, and today we're going to go over a few exercise tips for you guys to prevent injuries in the middle of your back between your shoulder blades. This exercise is called Eyes Wise Tees. Eyes Wise Tees is going to help us focus on strengthening the muscles around our mid-back that move the shoulder blade and also allow us to do that in the different positions our arm are going to be in while we swim. For this exercise, you'll be kneeling on the ground like so. To begin each exercise, your goal is to raise your arm into 3 different positions while focusing on squeezing your shoulder blade down and back as you raise your arm. The first position is going to be an I. The second position will be a Y. And the third and final position will be a T. One round of each of the 3 letters counts as 1 total rep. And your goal is to complete 6 to 12 total reps or a rep count that's challenging for you on each arm. This exercise we'll be going over is called a banded row, and it's going to focus on a couple of key muscles that sit right here between our shoulder blades called the rhomboids. The rhomboids are important for us to be able to pull our shoulder blades together, which is important for us in swimming to not only get the full range of motion out of our shoulders, but to be able to pull appropriately while swimming. To perform this exercise, you'll need a resistance band like so. For the setup, you'll take the resistance band and loop it around something like a door frame, a doorknob, or something that's stable that you can loop the band and hold it like this. From there, you're going to hold each end of the band between your hands at an appropriate resistance level that's a challenge for you. And you're going to focus on taking the shoulder blades, squeezing them together, and pulling the arms back, and then returning to the starting position. If you do this exercise correctly, you should feel the muscles working right here between your shoulder blades in the middle of your back. Try to perform this exercise for a round of 10 each time you do this at a challenge level that's challenging for you but pain-free. This exercise we'll be going over is called a thoracic wall rotation. This exercise will help us focus on the mobility and range of motion of the spine in our middle of our back, which is important for things while swimming, such as our shoulder range of motion, as well as technical aspects such as breathing and body rotation. To perform this exercise, you'll be kneeling down on the ground, keeping your hip and your shoulder against the wall. To get into position, it should look like this. You'll bring your arm up against the wall like so, keeping the back of your palm, the back of your hand up against the wall, bringing your other hand over top. From there, while maintaining contact with the wall, you're going to rotate to the side as far as you comfortably can, with the goal of trying to bring the back of your hand up against the wall like so. And then you'll return to the starting position, and you'll repeat that about 10 times each side. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys learned something to help you swim and stay pain-free, and I'll see you guys in the next one.